we started distributing milk pouches on daily basis, and this became a daily process for us to distribute n number of pouches to n number of people. And through ethical working, we realized that it's not always about profits.
To minimize our production cost, we mainly focused on consuming our own dairy production.
Hi, I'm Nitin Gaur and she's Sukriti Sharma. We both belong to Dehradun. We have a startup with the brand name of Moode, which is basically a milk product startup. She's into dairy profession from past 5 years, and here at Moode she looks after all the production areas and I look after all the business operations.
As we know, the early COVID situations have been really tragic for the entire world. I still remember an incident when we were coming to our workplace, where roadside we saw this old lady sitting, and out of concern we just stepped out and questioned her why she's outside during this lockdown. All she answered was she hasn't been eating from like past 5 days. She must be some housemaid, I guess. So that really moved us inside out. All we could do that time was provide her with some little help that we could. But later on, we just discussed this incident with each other and thinking if there could be one, there could be many out there waiting for our help.
And through ethical working, we realized that it's not always about profits. All we needed that time was a source to help us reach out people. So that's how I reached to a friend of mine, Mr. Karthar Dunyal. He's a very active social activist, and through him we also got connected to Ms. Neha Joshi, and they both are putting tremendous amount of effort in Uttarakhand to help people out. And that's how we started distributing milk pouches on daily basis, and gradually through word of mouth, even other activists and NGOs got connected with us, and through them we reached out to more people n number of areas, and this became a daily process for us to distribute n number of pouches to n number of people.
So since we were a part of essential services, there were certain things that needed to be taken care of. We firstly made arrangements for our workers and employees to stay at the workplace itself. Those who were required to visit market were asked to work from homes. Still, those who were frequently visiting the market, they were provided with safety kits. To minimize our production cost, we mainly focused on consuming our own dairy production.
So despite of all the restrictions and limitations which we had during lockdown period, we were able to work both economically as well as ethically. And through economical working, we were able to cut down our expenses, and we were also able to work with the limited resources which we had that time. We are glad to be a part of essential services, and through which we are able to give our little contribution to the society.